In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a motion graphics video on Jitter. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a fresh way to express your creativity, Jitter is a fantastic platform that helps you create dynamic visuals with ease. Let's dive right in and explore how you can bring your ideas to life. First things first, you'll want to head over to Jitter and navigate to the Drafts section. This is where all the magic begins. Drafts in Jitter is like your personal creative playground where you can experiment, create, and develop your projects from scratch. So go ahead and log into Jitter and open your drafts. Take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. Everything from the layout to the tools is designed to help you unleash your creativity. Once in your draft, look for the elements you want to animate. I'm using a picture as an example, but your element could be anything: text, graphics, or even shapes. Simply click on the element you've chosen to spotlight. This action will open up more options, allowing you to customize and animate your selection further. Next, you'll need to click on the Animate button. It's usually located in the toolbar, and it's your gateway to adding movement to your static designs. Clicking on Animate brings up a host of options designed to enhance your graphics. Each option offers a variety of effects. It's here where you can get truly inventive. For example, you might want to add a blur effect for a dramatic entrance or experiment with movement to grab your viewer's attention. Now that you've got the options at your fingertips, it's time to select the effect you desire. Let's say you choose the blur effect. The beauty of these features is that they're highly customizable. So you've not only chosen your effect, but you can also adjust the settings to suit your vision. Finally, tweak the settings. Here's where your creativity really gets to shine. Adjust the radius for a subtle or intense blur. Play with the duration to control how long the animation lasts. These settings allow you to fine-tune each animation effect until it aligns perfectly with the story you're aiming to tell. And there you have it. With Jitter, creating motion graphics is not just a possibility, but an enjoyable experience that gives you control over every aspect of your design. You're now ready to save your project and share it with the world. Enjoy the process, keep experimenting, and continue pushing the boundaries of what you can create. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have fun making your motion graphics video on Jitter.